Hello and welcome back to the Glow Organic YouTube channel. My name is Mel and I'm the founder of Glow Organic, and today I'm joined by Ailish, aka the Glow Getter. And Ailish has an awesome YouTube channel where she talks about green beauty, health, wellness, everything to do with that sort of industry and that sort of space.
Yep.
So here we are, and we have previously filmed a few videos which I will link in the description bar below, because this is part of a series that I'm doing with Ailish. Thank you so much for coming.
It's so much fun. I'm having such a great time.
We've just been talking about green beauty and makeup and skincare all day, so...
What more could you want from life, basically?
Yeah.
We're two happy souls.
So this video is all about our favourite spring lipsticks. So let's get into the video. Ailish, what's your first #1 favourite lipstick for spring?
So my first favourite spring shade is the Aria Bellini Nude from Hint Beauty, and it's a classic spring colour because it's this gorgeous pinky nudie, like, loveliness, and it goes on super well. It has a really nice pigment to it. It also lasts quite a long time as well, and what I love is this handy little contraption at the top for if your lips are quite dry, then this is a lip balm that you can use. And I did not notice this before, but Mel just told me about it. It also has a mirror here, which I've literally never noticed. So yeah, I really love it just because you've got the moisturising aspect from the lip balm, but also the lipstick as well. The colour payoff is really great. The pigment's just lovely. Yeah. And the colour is just so spring.
Yeah. I love these as well because they're kind of a cross between a matte colour, a matte texture, and a very moisturising lipstick. They're like a satin sort of finish, so you don't get the sort of too much shine that you can get from a lot of moisturising lipsticks, but then you've also got the colour and the pigment. So
and also I think it's quite good because if you get so much shine from a lipstick, it can sometimes look a little bit grunny-ish. Whereas
it's not too modern, is it?
Yeah, whereas this doesn't have that.
Yeah.
I don't feel like it has a little bit of sheen, but not to make you look like a granny.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's my first favourite.
Cool. What's mine? I'm going to go for this one. This is by a brand called Nui Cosmetics, which is a German brand from Berlin. And this is their shade Mona, which is a lovely pinky,
that's like a
kind of like
pink.
a Barbie pink. So it's got quite a moisturising formula to it as well. It's got a little bit of a sheen to it, so it's not completely matte, and it's almost like a tinted lip balm, I would say.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's got quite a lot more pigment though than.
It's got a lot more pigment than a tinted lip balm, but it's because of the texture. It feels. It's hard to describe unless you actually wear it and put it on, but it glides on like you would imagine a lip balm would.
Okay.
You see what I mean with lipstick? Sometimes if they've got more pigment, like the Hint Beauty one,
they drag a little bit more on your lip, whereas with a lip balm it kind of glides on a lot easier.
So with ones like the Hint Beauty that have got more pigment to them, you do kind of need a mirror to see what you're doing, whereas this one, because of the texture of it and because it's almost like second skin, you wear it and you won't feel like you're wearing lipstick.
Okay.
Do you see what I mean?
Yeah.
And it just feels very balmy. I'm so great with my adjectives, aren't I?
Feels balmy.
Feels balmy. The good sense of balmy, not the bad.
I've just got images of like embalmment happening in my head now. Did you ever watch The Crown? The Netflix series.
There's
an episode where somebody gets embalmed in it, and for some reason it just took me back to that moment. Thanks for that. That's good. So my second favourite has to be the Axiology Philosophy colour. Now, first of all, the packaging with this is just beautiful. Like, I'm such a sucker for anything that looks pretty and smells nice. And this again is a true spring colour. It's really gorgeous, like a corally, peachy. It's just an absolutely beautiful spring colour. It's super moisturising. Yeah. These lipsticks, I feel, don't have as much colour payoff. They're a bit more of a wash of colour. like slightly more than a wash of colour, but...
Yeah, there's quite a large range of colours in the Axiology range. The slightly lighter, more neutral colours are, as you say, more of a wash of colour, and then some of the slightly deeper colours, like the reds and the...
really heavy pigmented.
Yeah, and the pinks are stronger pigments, but yeah.
But I chose this because it's something you could wear during the day, whereas I feel like the Hint Beauty I would maybe more wear at night with like a smoky eye, whereas this you could throw in your handbag and use all the time, and you could use it evening and daytime, and it's really, really wearable.
Yeah.
And I don't feel like it would make your teeth look yellow. Like I've got a really big thing with when I wear lipsticks, I want to make sure it doesn't make my teeth look yellow, and this doesn't do that.
Yeah.
So yeah, that definitely has to be my next favourite for spring.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I love these, also layered on top of the Perez lip pencils.
Ooh.
Yeah, they're a really nice combination for like an everyday wear.
Oh, that's a good call. Yeah, definitely. Yeah. And also then it kind of makes it stay a little bit longer if you've got the pencil underneath. Yeah.
Yeah.
Great.
Cool. So my next one is by Cunha Caramel, and this is their shade 260 Coral. So again, another very springy sort of colour. And this is quite a vibrant...
This is really fun colour.
Vibrant, sort of orangey coral, and this looks amazing when you have a tan. I took this on holiday with me last year, and when I had got a little bit of colour in my skin, I put this on, and it just instantly makes you look like you're more tanned than you were. Incredible. And
a magical power lipstick.
And again, it's a moisturising formula, but this one has slightly more pigment to it as well, so it's slightly stronger. And yeah, packaging is very simple. Cunha Caramel, love their sort of simple, eco-friendly packaging, which is great. Very lightweight as well.
Yeah, that's kind of what you want.
Yeah, yeah. It's one of those lipsticks that you can just easily apply very quickly, just straight from the bullet. You don't necessarily need to use a lip brush with them like you do with some. So yeah, love this one.
So my third and final favourite for spring is the Perez Carrot Colour Pot in Hello. Now this is a really, really gorgeous pinky red. It has got hints of coral in it as well, but when I put it on my face, or my lips, just rub it on my face. The reason I said face was because...
You put it all over your face.
just rub it all over.
Like your sunburn.
The reason I said you can pop it on your face as well is because you can use it as a cheek tint too. But this is a really, really nice kind of a reddy, corally colour, and it looks a bit more red on my skin than it does on yours. You said it looks a bit more orangey.
Mine it came out slightly more orange, but our undertones are slightly different, aren't they?
Yeah. It's a really, really moisturising colour pot, and it has a really high pigment amount in it as well, which is something that you sometimes struggle with natural and organic products. Occasionally it's just difficult to find something with a lot of pigment that's going to last and also provide like nourishment for your skin. So this is definitely one of my favourites. Yeah,
I love that one as well.
So nice, hey?
So my third and final favourite is the Beetroot Cheek and Lip Tint, which again is by Perez, and this is their newest colour, and it's a really bright fuchsia pink, really, really bright, bold colour, and it's so long lasting. I was actually blown away by it when I first put it on. I put it onto my lips, and I'm a sceptical person. You know, I like to thoroughly test products before I stock them. So yeah, this one I was thinking, you know, it's a lovely colour, I love the colour, but you know, it's probably not going to last as long as maybe it claims it does. But it does. It really does, yeah. And you can use it. So it's got new packaging as well, because the previous packaging, I don't know if you tried them.
No, I haven't tried
them. They had like a rollerball effect, and it just got really messy and kind of just spilled everywhere in your bag. And this just makes it so much easier to apply. So you can just pat it onto your cheeks and then blend it in, and then use it on your lips as well when you've got a 2-in-1 cheek and lip colour.
Now, if it's so highly pigmented, how does it look on your cheeks? You know what I mean, with it being so bright?
So you have to work quickly with this because it dries almost instantly. So I do one cheek, blend that in, and then do the other cheek and then blend that in. But the colour, once it's on your cheeks and it's blended into the skin, you only need a tiny bit. So you'd literally just kind of dab it on and then blend it in. You don't want to start
like one
putting
dot.
too much. Yeah, one little dot just on the apples of the cheeks, and then start to sort of work it into the skin. It looks very natural once it's actually on. It's not too strong. It does sort of melt into the skin and look like part of you, really, just with a little bit of extra flush. But on the lips, I find you can layer it. Yeah. So if you do one layer, you've got like a pop of pink, and you kind of just look like you've got a little bit of colour to your lips. And then if you want it to be even bolder, you can add another layer once that layer's dried. And then you can just keep layering it, and you can go as strong as you want to, really. So yeah, it's amazing. And I wore this out for drinks and some dinner, and it managed to last throughout the whole night.
Oh, that's amazing, especially with eating.
Yeah, and because of the way that it dries, because it's like a stain, it's a liquid, so it's not like a moisturising lipstick. It hasn't got sort of butters or anything in it that can smudge and smear. It is very much a stain. So once it's on, it doesn't move.
That's brilliant. Well, that's exactly what you want, isn't it? From a natural brand. You want something that just doesn't move, and it also provides you with a load of colour. So perfect.
Yeah.
Good choice.
Love it. Thank you so much for watching. We will link all of the other videos that we've done in the description bar below, and make sure you also go check out Ailish's YouTube channel as well. And we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Ailish runs a I don't know why my mind just went blank then.
I don't know what she does. I'm not quite sure why she's here.
Why is she here? I don't know what's wrong with me.
Shake it up, shake it up, shake it up, shake it up.
Okay, start again.
Spade. Oh god, now I've lost
spade.
My first spade. Especially say when you're on the tube or something and you're like,
yeah.